This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Leonard Martin. Surrender yourself to the elegance of this remodeled single-level ranch-style home in beautiful Sonora. This well-designed home is located on a pleasant, quiet street where the only sounds are of nature. Richly appointed, with an open floor plan, vaulted ceiling, central heat for chilly evenings. Here is a real storybook home, with all the elegant sense of warmth and charm you expect. The kitchen features solid slab countertops and stainless steel appliances, open design and a large pantry. 3 nicely sized bedrooms. The master bath features solid slab counter. The laundry room is nicely sized and full of natural light. The exterior features new low-maintenance decks, and attached finished oversized 2-car garage with a work area, newer paint and great lighting. Oversized driveway that allow for plenty of parking including room for a boat or RV. A beautiful home with all the advantages you want, from impressive design to fine interior features that enhance entertaining as well as everyday life. This is not your parents' dated home, so it will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Leonard Martin at 209-532-6993.